Welcome to our lesson on data marts, data lakes, ETL, and data pipelines. In this session, we will explore these essential concepts in data management and their significance in data science. Let's start with data marts. A data mart is a focused subset of a data warehouse designed to serve specific business needs. They provide quick access to relevant data for analysis. Next, we explore data lakes. A data lake is a centralized repository that can store structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. This flexibility supports big data analytics and machine learning. Now let's discuss ETL, which stands for extract, transform, load. This process is essential for moving data from various sources to a destination, ensuring quality and consistency. Next, we have data pipelines. Data pipelines automate the flow of data between sources and destinations, enhancing efficiency and ensuring timely delivery for analysis. This quote highlights the importance of data in today's world. Understanding how data flows through systems is crucial for effective analysis and decision-making. Let's summarize the key differences between data marts and data lakes. Data marts focus on specific business needs, while data lakes serve as centralized repositories for all data types. Now let's differentiate between ETL and YLT. ETL extracts, transforms, and loads data, while YLT loads data first and transforms it later, making it ideal for big data environments. Visualizing the data flow through pipelines helps in understanding the entire process. It allows us to see how data moves from source to destination. Data pipelines consist of key components. Sources, such as databases and APIs, provide raw data, while destinations store the processed data in warehouses or lakes. As we explore data management, we must acknowledge common challenges. Ensuring data quality is crucial, as poor quality can lead to incorrect insights, and integration can be complex. To overcome challenges, we can adopt best practices. Strong data governance ensures integrity and compliance, while automation enhances efficiency and reduces errors. This quote emphasizes the importance of understanding data for success in data science. As we move forward, keep this in mind as we delve deeper into data management. Looking ahead, the future of data management includes exciting trends. AI integration is enhancing data processing, while real-time analytics allows for timely decision-making. As we conclude, let's summarize key takeaways. Data marts provide focused storage for specific needs, while data lakes serve as centralized repositories for all data types. Let's review the key steps in the ETL process. First, data is extracted from various sources, followed by transforming it into a suitable format for analysis. Understanding data pipelines is crucial for data management. Data flows from sources to destinations, and monitoring these pipelines ensures that data is processed correctly. Several tools are available for effective data management. Popular ETL tools like Talend and Informatica streamline the ETL process, while AWS S3 and Azure Data Lake offer robust data lake solutions. In conclusion, we have covered key concepts such as data marts, data lakes, ETL, and data pipelines. Continue exploring these topics in our data science course for deeper insights. Thank you for your attention throughout this lesson. We hope you gained valuable insights into data management concepts and their applications. As we conclude this lesson, consider what you've learned and how it applies to your data science journey. Let's move forward and explore more advanced topics in the next module. This quote encapsulates the essence of data in decision-making. Remember, data is the foundation upon which informed decisions are built. As we wrap up, reflect on the importance of understanding data management. This knowledge enhances your data literacy and prepares you for continuous learning in this evolving field. Thank you for participating in this lesson. We look forward to seeing you in the next session as we dive deeper into data science topics.